This is the EVVA 3KS keyworks. So let's try to pick this, and let's start by pushing all the sliders down. Okay, apply some tension and start the pick. When you start picking this lock, there's not a lot of feedback because the sidebars are not pushing too hard, or they are not pushed too hard against the sliders. But the further you get, the more obvious the feedback becomes. So from the start you may need a little bit more tension. But then it starts to become more and more obvious. I think the main problem with this log is to find or position your pick to the slider you want to move, because it's very crowded in there, and it becomes even worse as you lift sliders to their proper heights. Everything just starts to blend in. So you really need to know how to navigate between them. Another problem that you might encounter is that you can accidentally bump into sliders as you pick this lock and unset them. So that's really annoying too. Unfortunately, these sidebars do not isolate, so I need to go back and forth between them and set some sliders again because I drop stuff as I do that. And just as I finished that sentence, I got an open. That was the fastest I ever picked this lock. Wow. Okay, I'll take that. Alright, so the lock is obviously open. I did not backlight it. I did not use any light, but it's a sunny day and I used a desk lamp to illuminate. I will show you as soon as I reposition. I used a piece of paper that was lying on the table, and I was illuminating that piece of paper. This one. So it created a nice contrast. Okay, so let's get this thing. Try not to fuck up the batting, of course. Okay, I need to lock it. C-clip goes off. Hopefully no surprises here. So insert the key, pull it out so the sliders get centered, and slide the core out. Of course, it's not working. Slide the core out. No. Slide the core out. No. Alright, so excuse me, I need several attempts obviously to do this. Buddy, please get out. I'm sorry for... It looks really good from here. I don't know why doesn't it want to slide out. Well, shit happens. Nope. Nope. Somebody help me, please. What's the deal? Okay, I need some time to sort this. What the fuck is the problem here? Guess I will just continue doing this until it works. Please get out, dude. I don't understand what the fuck is the problem. just won't cooperate. What is the problem? This literally never happened to me. I don't get it. No, it just won't go out. Oh. Wow, that was fucking embarrassing. Never mind. So at least you see what kind of problems you can run into. Okay, so first I would like to remove this passive bar. There it is. Change the angle a bit. Drop one sidebar. Drop the other sidebar. Cool. And finally start removing the sliders. Just a second, please. So this is the left side. Okay, let's put it here. I'm very sorry for the whole gutting fiasco. So when getting this log, you need to be careful because you need to be mindful of the orientation of the sliders, which side is up and which side is down, and of course understand that which side is the right side and which side is left. You can orientate thanks to this passive bar slot. It's only on one side, it's not here. Okay, closing in. And the last one. There we go. Cool. Okay, let me just finish this. Okay, so let's take a look at the particular elements of this lock. There are two types of sliders. This one has two little knobs. As you can see, they are shallow and correspond to the two parallel shallower tracks on the key, and they ride across the key like this. And the other type of slider is the one that only has one knob, and this knob is a bit taller and it corresponds to the deeper groove in the key, the one in the middle. And you can also see a false gate. The true gate are the two deep cuts in the slider, and this one is the false gate. One more look at the sidebar. I will show you both at once. Okay, these are the sidebars, and this passive bar, which is used for key control and goes on the top of the key like this. Cool. The lock body, you can see the two sidebar slots and the slot for the passive bar. Nice. Okay, so one more close-up at the pins and the sliders and both of the sidebars and the passive bar. And one more thing I really need to mention is that I am eternally thankful to Gery from Discord, who actually manufactured this tool, this slider pick. It was designed by Culper, so shout out to him as well. And the actual manufacturing process was done by Gery. So thank you again, guys, for helping me do this, because I suck at manufacturing. I think Culper will be more than happy to send you the dimensions, but I don't wanna do it without his permission. But it worked really well, and the hardest part was finding the orientation or orientating in the keyway, and this pig is really good for it. So this is the true the true MVPs are Gery and Culper. Thank you guys. And of course me and my professional gutting. The core, passive sidebar slot, slider slots, and one sidebar slot and the other sidebar slot. Nice. Okay, so that's all for today. I didn't expect this to be a 20-minute video after I picked it in 5 minutes, but you know, stuff happens in life. Alright, thanks for watching and see you later.